Hi guys, namaskar. My name is Devjit Bora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about how to improve your vocabulary very quickly. Because without vocabulary, I think it will be very difficult to make a conversation and writing, reading, everything. It will be very difficult. So that is why I compiled this video, and I am going to say one app's name. It will be very easy to improve your vocabulary. So please keep watching my video till the end.
First of all, you have to go Google Play Store and search Magtap Magtapp. Already I installed it, so open now. Okay, you can see this page. So there are lots of news are there you can read. While reading, if you are not able to understand some words meaning, then please tap. The meaning will be appear itself. So you can see with example and save them.
Agitation.
Apart from this, you can read books as well. So you have to download first. While reading books, if you are not able to understand some words meaning, then you can tap. The meaning will be appear. In such a way, you can enhance your vocabulary and improve your English. So thank you so much for watching my video.